not responsible for the problem of climate change and presently contributing only 6.8% of global emissions, Union Environment Minister Prakash Javadekar said. He said India is the only G20 nation to be in compliance with Paris Agreement on climate change. Addressing a press meet on the eve of the 5 years of Paris Agreement, the minister said India is walking the talk on climate change as it has already achieved 21% of its target of reducing emissions intensity of GDP by 3 to 35% by 2030. India's historical contribution to this phenomenon of climate change is only 3%. India is not responsible for the problem of climate change. Still, we will do our best. And presently, we are contributing only 6.8% of global emissions and per capita emissions is only 1.9 tons. Thus, our historical as well present contribution to greenhouse gas emission is very low. We are among the few countries who are Paris Agreement compliant. That is, our actions lead to a maximum temperature rise of 2 degrees Celsius, which is to be achieved by the year 2100. India is the only G20 country which is complying to the Paris Agreement, Javadekar said. The G20 or group of 20 countries comprises the world's largest and fastest growing economies and accounts for 85% of the global GDP and 2/3 of its population. The Paris Agreement is a legally binding international treaty on climate change. It was adopted by 196 countries in Paris on December 12, 2015. And entered into force on November 4, 2016. India submitted its ambitious nationally determined contributions in 2015 under the Paris Agreement for the post-2020 period with 3 quantitative goals. One of the NDCs is to reduce emissions intensity of GDP by 33 to 35% by 2030 over 2005 levels. I am happy to see that we have already achieved 21% and the remaining will be achieved in next 10 years because Paris Agreement was signed in 2015 but its implementation began in 2021. He said, and Javadekar also said that the developed nations did not fulfill their financial and technological commitments in the 11 years. It was decided that every year the world will set aside 100 billion USD for developing nations to combat climate change. But now more than 1 trillion USD is spending. Technology transfer is not happening. If climate change is a disaster, there should be no profit in technology transfer, he said this. The other important NDCs of India, including achieving 40% electric power installed capacity from non-fossil fuel sources to create carbon sink of 2.5 to 3 billion tons of CO2 equivalent to afforestation. 5 other targets include sustainable lifestyle, climate-friendly growth path, adaptation, finance and capacity building and technology. The minister highlighted that presently USA contributes 13.5% CO2 emissions globally or 15.5 tons per capita emissions. China contributes 30% or 8.12 tons per capita. European Union and UK contributes 8.7% of total emission and 6.47 tons per capita emission. As per the minister, besides India, the other countries which are complying with the Paris Agreement are Costa Rica, Philippines, Bhutan, Ethiopia, Morocco and Gambia. None of the developed countries are Paris Agreement compliant, he said, adding that USA, Russia and Saudi Arabia are among the countries which will cause temperature rise of 4 degrees Celsius while China, Japan, South Africa, Singapore, Chile, Argentina and UAE will cause less than 4 degrees temperature rise. The countries which may cause temperature rise of up to 3 degrees include EU, Canada, UK, Australia, New Zealand and Brazil.